I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the Oppo A57 to 50% or more and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Next, back up your essential data, contacts, photos, and system settings to cloud storage or a PC because updates can fail. Now open Settings, tap About Phone, then System Updates. Once the updater appears, hit Check for updates and download the available package so the process can proceed automatically. Once the update package finishes downloading, tap Install and allow the device to manage reboots. The installer will verify files, apply patches, and reboot more than once. Make sure the phone stays plugged in and avoid pressing buttons. Interruptions cause corruption. While installation runs, you'll see progress percentages and occasional messages about optimizing apps. That's normal. If progress stalls for many minutes, remain patient for system tasks to finish. Once completed, the phone will boot into the update. After the final boot, go to Settings and confirm the Android version and security patch level to ensure success. Once verified, re-enable any disabled services and restore data from your backup, reviewing app permissions and battery settings because defaults may change. If the phone fails to boot or shows errors, try booting to safe mode to remove problematic apps. If that fails, perform a factory reset from recovery after backing up accessible data. This single troubleshooting step solves most post-update issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.